Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. I know, right? It's been a long time I picked up my camera to make a vlog and I've really missed it, no doubt, and I miss you guys too, the little people that actually view my videos and support me. I really sincerely miss you guys. Anyways, today is, what's today now? Today is Friday and it's like cooking day for me in this house, like for the house, not an order. For those of you that do not know, I actually cook. I'm in Abuja and I cook and deliver to people in their homes, and lunch packs, boil litters. Anyways, basically meal. I'm going to put my business page on the screen here for you guys to see. And for those of you that are seeing my face for the first time, my name is Jack. He's already screaming in the background. He wants you people to see him. Hey, hello. I'll take the camera to him soon. My name is Jack. I have an amazing sweet boy that is currently 15 months old and he has refused to walk. I don't understand. I feel like it's only my child that is a year plus and has refused to walk. He's so scared. But he can actually, allow me to talk. He can actually hold someone and walk around the whole house and everywhere in the compound, but to walk by himself, to walk on his own is a big task for him. Anyways, guys, today I just got back from the market and the time is like 10:30. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, and I got a lot of stuff because I'm going to be making like 3 soups today and 1 stew. Maybe not stew, but something like stew that we can actually use to. It's still job because there's tomato. There's fresh tomato, there's fresh pepper, and that's just stew. You get. I'll be going to the kitchen now. I'll show you guys the things I bought from the market. We already have meat at home, so I didn't bother buying it. Yeah, let me just take the phone to this noisy man. Let me take the phone to him. You want me to rest? Why are you screaming? Go back. You're too zoomed now. I was actually showing you. Why are you not talking again? Shy. Anyways, guys, so I've changed into my cooking outfit. So I'm going to. It's like a big polo. It's actually very long, but it's super big. And I'll stop using to cook. Let me stop. Won't I cook today? That's what you want. This is what you want. This is what you want, right? Whose baby is this? Come and carry your baby. Old man. Old man. And if I try to make him walk now, he will drag himself and see. Oh yeah, come now. Mr. Shakara is too much. Come. Okay, guys, so I bought a whole lot of stuff. I bought onions. I'm not going to be putting the prices of these things because I don't have strength. I bought attaché. I bought fresh pepper. This is not the only fresh pepper I bought though. I bought momo. This is momosha. I'm doing this video with one hand, so you may not get I've opened it. I bought momo. What's it? I bought panla. I really love this fish. See, if you know me, you know I don't eat dried fish, but ever since I tasted this fish, my god, there's nothing I cook, down to sauce, down to stew, anything I want to make, I must use this fish. Number one, it's affordable, and number two, it tastes really nice in food. What's this? I bought sweet potato because there's something I want to make tomorrow, which I'll be showing you guys for breakfast actually. If not tomorrow, maybe Sunday, I don't know, because tomorrow morning I think I want to make waffles for the family. I bought spring onions, some veggies, carrots, green pepper. I bought macaroni because I want to make this one for Yomi. I was supposed to be buying a pack of these, but I just changed my mind and said, you know what, let me try it first and see if you really love it. Then why not? I'll buy a pack. I bought a whole lot of baking stuff, and the one I really love more is this white chocolate, guys. The smell is heaven. Oh my god, I've almost finished eating it in the market safe. I had to just seal it so that I'll see it to use for what I want to do. I bought strawberry vanilla, strawberry whatever flavor for my waffle. I bought some milk. I think I bought like 5 sachets of that, and it was for like 15 naira each. Of course, I bought baking powder. This is 100 naira. So affordable, so affordable. I saw King's cooking margarine, and I was like, why not? Still margarine, a bit margarine, whatever. Anyways, I got it because it's like new to me. So I bought it. I got banana because it's something I want to make. I got carrots. The carrot should be inside. I bought flour, and of course I bought sugar. Yes, over here I bought, what's this, fufu? In my house, we eat fufu a lot. I don't want to set in island, so you guys should just see. I think I bought like 1K own. This is not the only one. This one here. I bought fresh tomato. I tell you guys I wanted to make something like stew, but I mean there's fresh tomato, so it's stew at least for rice. It's a small fresh pepper. Over here I have like soup ingredients. I bought gari, just more for blessing because I didn't eat fufu. I bought this is don't even die safe. This is oha because I want to make oha for the house. Anyway, today I'm going to be making oha soup, okra soup, afang soup, and then the stew. I'll show you guys. Over here I have my afang, quite a lot. If there's anything I'm even more impressed amongst the things that I bought in the market today, guys, it has to be this afang. This afang is so much, and I got this for 1,000 naira. It's already blended, and there's crayfish in it. This is periwinkle. This is periwinkle, and this is water leaf. See, it's water leaf. Over here I have my okra. Okra and what now? I had to buy okra. I had to tell myself I'll make okra soup because I mean that's like my husband's favorite soup. I bought okra, and it's so much. I think I got this for I got all of this for 500 naira. It's so much, guys. It's plenty. My husband he go kiss me today. Why I am deciding to make oha soup because I mean that's like also my favorite, and afang soup is general in the house. So I was craving oha, so I said I'll make something little for myself. This is the okra. It's plenty. Maybe if I turn it inside the bowl, you guys will see. This is the yellow pepper for my soup. See, I told myself that I'll start making soup with less pepper so that Yomi has to eat the soup that I make in the house. I cannot be making a soup separate for him every time. I won't do that again. He has to eat everything that we eat at home. See, because I don't know how far I'll continue, how long I'll continue. I bought plantain because it's something I want to use it for with the sweet potato that I showed you guys earlier. This is plantain, guys. Because this is 500 naira, and it's just, it was because the guy is my customer. She actually gave me 3. I was like 3 for 500. So she now said based on customer she just added 1. This is 500 naira plantain. So for those of you that used to patronize my food business, if I give you plantain, if I tell you the price of plantain, please just buy. Don't give me headache. Don't get angry with me because it's also not my fault. Just buy. I bought some eggs. Blessing has already kept those one at where they're supposed to be, and yeah, that's all I bought. And I'll be making food right now. I will try and take you guys along the process, but if I can't, I'll show you guys the end product of everything. Okay, so let's start cooking. Like I was saying, guys, the weather is already dark. I think it wants to rain. It's not really going to favor me to take cute pictures, but I'll try what I can. And like I said, I might take you guys along with me through the process. But if it would be so much of a stress on me, I don't think I'll do that. I'll just show you guys the end product of everything, and yeah, that's going to be it. Okay, so let's just start cooking because I mean there's no time. This time I'm also be back from work. Today is Friday. He doesn't stay so long at work, so yeah. I'm so exhausted, guys. I couldn't even take you guys through the whole process or video the food properly for you guys to see because, man, I'm so tired. Anyways, I just got done with everything now, and the time is like 4 o'clock, 4:30, thereabouts. I don't know. I finished cleaning the kitchen and washing the dishes. I kept them here to dry. This is the afang soup. The other one is already in the freezer. And this is the okra soup over here. And guys, let me just go and have my bath. I've already eaten because as I was cooking, I was eating. Actually, it's the oha man. That oha sweet. It's anyways, let me not talk too much because you guys cannot taste it. Stop blowing my own horn. Let me stop blowing my own horn. That's it. Let me go and have my bath now before my husband gets back. And yeah, just get going with my day. Yeah.
Teach you how to do the bump.
Yeah, time to eat. No. You want to eat? He's eating granules. He woke up and he started crying for granules.
It's a move.
Granules. He's eating. Guys. He doesn't want me to video him right now that he's eating. He's eating Nutribon. You guys ignore this bag. Okay, I'm blocking his view. He's watching cartoon. No? He's watching cartoon. I'm blocking his view. This peg on his neck, if we remove it, he will drag down this beep, and I don't want that. I don't want his body to be dirty. So yeah. Yummy, yummy. Do you like your food? Do you like your food? Say yes, mama. Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? My itty baby. Who is that? Let me remove it and see if he will like it.
So, you think I should go?
Hey, hey, hey.